About this company called SilkSilky. Now, what does that sound like? When we say silky, it means silk. Silk. If anybody knows what the material silk feel like, it means it's good on your body. Yeah. It's wrinkle free. If any guy watching this thing, or with the wife or the partner, just remember that without a nice 90, you know, the partner doesn't look sexy if he's not wearing this. If it's one product you want to wear, this is the product, the one that comes from this company here.
SilkSilky.
Okay, so that's it. So now, after all this, now she's gonna go and wait, and you really see what can cause action in the bedroom. Not at the gym, no, not in the garden. The bedroom. Okay.
Perfect for gift, especially Christmas is coming. So you can use my codes EDS15. So you have 15% off when you order on their website. So www.silksilky. Okay, so I love the box. Very elegant. And at the back is their website. Okay, so inside you will see the white card, and this is guarantee. Tell me what's the guarantee it means on this.
Well, you receive this package when you order.
Yeah.
You're gonna receive. It comes with a guarantee from the company www.silksilky.com. It said the product. That's what we want to talk about now. Israel want to talk about this product. It says SilkSilky has created for you a prestigious. When we mean prestigious, we mean the finest quality. 5-star in another word. Just one word. 5-star. No, 2 words. Because that's when someone wants to come. Prestigious sleepwear. It means when you wear it, you're next to your partner, you're going to be feeling the silky. It's as smooth as the baby's bottom. Now, 100% mulberry silk. Special textile technique. It's a special way that is being woven. See, when we're talking about silk, I know some of you never want silk, but this is the beginning. It doesn't cost too much. It's just reasonable. You wear it, it's nice on your skin. Your skin feels silky. Your partner wants to touch you all the time. All night. He can't take off his hand.
Okay, we do unboxing first before I try it. So the first one is this lovely gown dress. This is it, the number 1. I love the feeling when I wear it.
This is a little number. She said she's gonna wear it tonight. Look at that. It's now show your legs. Show. You see, this is the side. They say easy access for your partner. Okay, let me touch the material. Let me touch. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Actually, you can see.
Yeah,
you see, you take it off and it falls off. Show me some skin. Show some skin. So this thing is very. See here. Put your hair backward. You see. So you can see the way it's designed. You see, you guys, you can see the way it's designed. You see, because you know Israel is his fashion guru. You can see here. Apart from the silky, they put the finest lace material. Come close so that they can see the finest lace material. Complement the whole dress. I mean the whole nightwear. Now the silk and that it complements it. It suits young person. You see, it suits mature person. It's for anybody. It's for anybody. It suits them because it's nice on your skin. Good. Now,
love it.
So what do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I like the feeling inside on my skin, guys. I feel like a free.
That's what I mean. It's as smooth as the baby's bottom. It means the silkiest you can get. Now.
Okay, the next one is I choose the full and the long sleeve because I have a lot of short sleeve for sleepwear, and this one. I love the color of this one too.
This is a set. The pants.
Yeah, it's a set.
And the top.
Yeah.
Long sleeve top.
Yeah. Try this.
Go and try it.
This is the second sleepwear.
Okay. Walk towards the thing to show it off. Okay. Now look at that. it's light, you know, it's light, you know, see, it's really good. It's flowy, and it's really nice. When I see the trimming, it's very, very nice. It looks very, very nice and feels nice. It looks nice. So they say if it looks good, it's good. Okay, so everything it looks really nice.
They also send me a pillow set, 2 pillow set that I can use on my bed, on our bed. And this pillowcase is have zipper on it. That's it. And
2 pillowcases.
Yeah, 2 pillowcases. So you can check their website, guys. They also selling bed sheet, a lot of things they selling there.
Everything is silk.
Yeah, everything is silk. This one is a mask, eye mask. Natural fiber, hypoallergenic, and breathable.
Breathable means hair can go through.
Yeah. So this is how it look like, and
put it on.
Adjustable, guys.
It means if you don't want to see your partner's face,
like this, you can wear it like that.
Or basically, what this is all about is for sunblock, you know, or light.
I like it. It's very soft.
Okay.
And the last one
What's that?
is we have scrunchies.
What's scrunchies?
We have scrunchies.
Sounds like some dessert.
Scrunchie. Ayan.
If you want to be more sexy in bed.
Yeah.
If you want to be more sexy in bed, yeah?
Sexy in bed.
Yeah.
I'll try it, guys. So this is the scrunchie. So it's good for the hair also, so your hair will not damage. Guys, when you're sleeping, you need to tie your hair so your hair is not on your face everywhere. So that's it.
Okay, on behalf of 8 selfie aids, I want to say thank you very much for SilkSilky.
Yeah, for
sending all these. It's not only for her, it's not only for, you know, it's not for both of us. And the same when you buy for your partner.
Also,
so you got to talk to the viewers, that's what I mean, you know, to talk to their partner. Christmas is coming. This, just say that's what you want for present.
Christmas.
Because he's going to enjoy it also. So it's not something for one person, it's for the couple, or you know, to enjoy. You know, not only to see, you feel, you use, and you enjoy together. Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much for SilkSilky for sending me this beautiful, gorgeous, and very generous to send me all this stuff. And thank you for my husband supporting me doing this video together. And for my viewer, it's really worth it to buy this. It's good on your skin and your partner will love it too. So again, I will repeat it. I have a special code EDS15 for people are interested. You have 15% off, and I will put down below the description the website and also here. So anyway, thank you for watching, and again, maraming salamat, SilkSilky. See you in my next one, guys. Bye!